All right, good morning, everyone. Today's a good one because I've got a super simple time-saving hack that can change your whole life. This is a big one for folks. This is a quick tip that can really, if you implement it, you can implement it almost immediately. And when you implement it, you're going to see a difference fast. So we have all seen those great pictures where you open the refrigerator and there are the meals in these cute little cubbies and they're packed so beautifully, like they're carefully packed meal containers all ready for the week and labeled nicely. Now, if that is you, amazing. But if it's not, that's okay too, because this tip is so simple and it's faster and it's way easier than that. All right, but real quick before we dive in, if we're just meeting for the first time, I'm Stephana Johnson. I'm actually the Chief Empowerment Officer of Powerhouse Leaders and the founder and creator of Yogilachi. It's a body transformation program. And this focus today is on nutrition because that's the number one question I get with the issues people have around dropping the extra weight and looking and feeling your best is how do I get good nutrition when I'm so busy? So I get it. And this tip is for you. Okay. We all know that meal planning really is the key to getting your meals, getting nourishment, and kind of staying on target with those, with the meals and your nutrition. So it gets really hard when you think, oh my gosh, I have to plan the whole week in advance and planning all these healthy meals and having them fresh and ready to go. You just don't have the time. I get it. So this is going to save you time, but it's also going to be a lot easier and hopefully fun. So this idea of prepping meals for the whole week, and we used to prep and had a group that we would get together on Sunday and go to the grocery store and we would prep and bring our jars in and prep for the week. And we made it as a community and a fun thing. But if you dread doing that, I totally get it. And this one's going to be a great hack for you. Okay. Especially if you have a busy weekend, you can't spend all day Sunday prepping for the week, right? Okay, so this is the secret. Ready? Drum roll, please. Leftovers. All right, it's not exactly what you think, but it is literally leftovers because we're going to make extra. So just start doubling down or tripling on the food that you're already making. Okay, so for example, Sunday nights, I roast a chicken. Now I'm roasting 2. And with that, once we have that roast chicken for dinner, I'm going to take all the extra meat off of that. And that becomes a taco salad for the next day. Then all you need to do is add in some nice salad toppings. If you have, I have family members that love taco bowls. And so we'll make tostados and they do the corn. I don't do corn. I just do vegetables with that shredded chicken and it's fabulous. Super easy, right? Just have your vegetables ready to go and really just like salad packs. There's one and you've got the chicken. Now with that carcass of the chicken, you can put that in the crock pot and you can start making a soup. So I will use with the first layer of broth, I've got egg drop soup that is one meal and chicken noodle soup that is another. Now I use cabbage leaves for my noodles. And you can also use a variety of different types of chunky vegetables. I'm really a fan of an advocate also of getting rid of the grains. That's going to help you drop that weight. So with another hack, this is like, if you like to grill. So it's grilling summertime. We like to grill. Just double, triple on your grilling and grill some more of those vegetables. Grilled vegetables are so delicious and you can just grill more sausages, grill more meats and have them ready. And I've got clients who will literally grill for the entire week and they've got amazing vegetables and grilled vegetables that they will have for the whole week when they do that on a Sunday barbecue, right? Okay, so there's one. Another one I could think of is, let's say you make a keto lasagna. or casserole. If you're making a casserole anyway, make 2 or 3, and then you can freeze the second or third one, right? So that's going to start filling up your freezer with healthy foods that you've made and that you're choosing, right? So you can choose what goes into those. And really start to have fun with this in a way, shifting out of this idea, because I'm not a super big fan of the leftover, like, oh, I have to eat leftovers. But if you create it from a way that's like, okay, I'm actually creating thinking in futures of how I want to have my meals for the next week, it's so much easier than going and sitting and specifically chopping 21 meals and prepping 21 meals and putting them in containers in your refrigerator, if you think of it this way. So I hope that helps. One last little one that I'm going to say, because I do this as a regular basis, is I will boil a dozen eggs, and I have eggs in my refrigerator. I will do deviled eggs as some of them because my kids will love those. And so I'll make deviled eggs. That's a super easy one. And then I will also pickle them, because I will put them into the pickle jar, literally just put them into Bubby's dill pickle jar. I still have the brine from it. And then you want good pickle juice, then you can pickle them. There you go. There's some delicious a meal right there. You can chop that up. You can add the protein to your salad. And so there's another one right there. Start thinking differently about these leftovers. It makes it so much easier and super, super fun. Again, it's only going to take really just a few extra minutes, but you're going to have those nourishing meals, whether they're waiting in the freezer or in your refrigerator with those roasted vegetables or boiled eggs ready to go. Okay. All right. I hope this hack helps. And if you get started on doing this, it's going to make things so much easier for you. And you're not going to have those last minute, oh, let's just go get pizza, or, those poor decisions that we make at the last minute when we don't have a meal ready to go. Okay. So I've got a lot of great tips and strategies to help you. And these are proven strategies that have helped my clients over the last couple of decades. I love doing this. Please reach out. Please put in the chat any questions that you have, or things that you've been concerned with or you want some support with around health, fitness, nutrition, and focus. I am here to help you. I want to help you definitely drop the extra weight, not just physical. Sometimes it's an emotional, right? When we're stress eating, we've got emotional and mental weight that we're carrying a lot of too. So love doing that and supporting you so that you look and feel your absolute best and you're performing at your best in everything you do. Okay, so reach out to me, put reply back, or if you want to let me know that you were here live, I would love to know that. If you're here on the replay, let me know as well, and we'll talk soon. Make it an amazing day.